This is my 2007 Dodge Magnum with the 3.5 V6. I've noticed recently that after starting it, when it's cold, it sounds and feels like it's misfiring. So I'll start it up and let you know what that sounds like, and then I'm gonna try to figure out what's causing that. Don't hear it yet, but I'll give it a minute. Oh, I hear it now. I'll go to the exhaust too, because you can hear misfires good at the exhaust. Alright, so it definitely misfires. I'm gonna get my scanner out and connect it and see if there's anything that will tell us. As you can see, there's a P0303, which is cylinder 3 misfire. So that must be the misfire that I'm feeling. It only happens when it's cold, but we're gonna take a look at cylinder 3. Check out the wires, check out the coil pack and the spark plug, and make sure that everything's good there, and see if we can find what's causing this misfire. The first step to verifying this stuff is to clear the codes and make sure the same codes come back up. So I'm going to clear the codes, and then I'm going to look at the data, and it's going to show us where this misfire is happening. Alright, I'm going to turn it off and we're going to check cylinder 3. Okay, so the third cylinder is going to be the one in the middle on the passenger side, so the one underneath the intake. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if water got in there or the connector's coming undone. The connectors might even be popped out a little. Unfortunately, we can't see it because it's underneath the intake, so I'm gonna have to start undoing the intake so I can see what's going on with cylinder 3. I got to the third cylinder and I looked in, and it kind of looks like the spark plug is broken. So I'm gonna pull the spark plug out and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is the problem. The spark plug was cracked, and that was causing the misfire. So I'm just gonna replace the spark plug and put her back together. Alright, I'm gonna throw the new spark plug in and put it back together. Alright, I got it back together with the new spark plug. Let's start it up and see if the misfire's gone.